Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. I'm here to say thank you to all my subscribers and everyone that gives the channel super chats. This right here is all brought to you guys from you guys. You know, this is what I bought with the money, with some of the money that I got from Super Chats. I got a new drill, I got a bunch of new wire wheels, the battery, and just gotta say thank you. Thank you very much. Now, let's see what we can do. Alright, stop that. Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Just wanted to give you a full rundown on my tool haul. Yeah, a little while back. Today we're going to show you, Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Today, hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Today we're going to do a tool haul. A used tool haul, that is, from when I cleaned out my buddy's garage a couple weeks back. Alright, come along, have some fun, let's dig in. Alright, well, let's do this one. Is anybody a member of the Moose Lodge? Are you a member? Oh, you can't see that. Are you a member of the Moose Lodge and would like this back? Let me know. You can have it for the cost of shipping. It still has the 6 pins in the storage container, and I think it'll clean up nicely. Alright, here we go. We got a tubing bender. Looks like a handle for a wood stove. Wire brush. Cut off wheels. Pair of shears. Another shear. These are all junk China sockets, which I'll probably end up welding or, you know, use for some type of junk art. This here works perfectly fine. You know, could use a little oil, you know, but it works. All Craftsman tools, all Craftsman sockets. I have a collection of Craftsman, so that'll just get thrown in there, and of course I'll keep that out for use. You know, because, like, you know, when you want to beat on them. All the spark plug sockets I use to make adapters for the leveling jacks on my camper. I don't own enough of these, so I will keep these things. These are all in fine working order, so we will use them. They're cheap Chinese, but they all work. Cheap Chinese, but you know, use them when you think you're gonna break them. I don't have enough. I don't have many of these, so I'll keep them. Junk, use them when you know, when you think you're gonna snap it or break it or whatever, or maybe even some welding art. You can never have enough pliers. You know, you can never have enough pliers or adjustable wrenches. This one's brand new, still in the package, never been used. Just needs a little cleaning up. SK stuff. Mac, and I think there's, oh no, sorry. That's Stanley stuff. Mac, and this is an SK, and I think these are Mac too. No idea what you do with these things. Can never have enough flat bars. Look at these. Can you see that? Can you see where it says Chevy? 4 Chevy wrenches. Never seen them before, but you know, pretty cool. The rest of this is basically just welding junk. They're just cheap China crap. Look at all these multi-tools. Yeah, This one's pretty cool. You know, this is the one you go like that, and out it comes. Anyway. Yeah. Some multi-tools. Multi-tool sets, you know. I don't know. I'll just throw them in a box for yard sale or something. Can never have enough wrenches. That just needs a little oil in. A plethora of nut drivers. Fine tuning screwdrivers. You know, another flathead, of course. Couple of rasps. Here's a custom screwdriver for you. That's for a specific job. Gotta love that, you know. Little blow tool, some lead weights. Who wants to weld some, you know, for some melting some lead weights? This is still going to be a mess of a video. For doing pecs, even got a couple of clamps. Look at that, come on, that's a welder's dream right there. Couple of hangers, you know, exhaust hangers. Yeah, assorted hardware. And some stubbies. I'll probably make a set of those stubbies and keep them, because I don't have any. Oh, yeah. PD thread measuring wires. Don't know how to use them? If you can use them, you can have them for the cost of shipping. Remember, children, safety glasses, gloves. there you go, folks. Another clean clamp and another edition of It's Good Enough for Jimmy C. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Yeah. Shed a little while back. Today we're going to show you, come along, have some fun. Let's do that without the head fucking nodding and a full rundown on my tool haul. Yeah. Hey YouTube, Jimmy C here, out in the garage. Today we're going to show you,